Whoa, 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 whoa. Look, there's like a crack pipe on the Joshua tree. You see that, Jeff? J-Man! Look, there's like a crack pipe on the Joshua tree. You see it? Dude, there's fucking tweakers out here, bro.
What?
Dude, there's a crack pipe in the Joshua tree. What are the odds?
It's a meth pipe, bro.
Dude, it's fucking tweakers are everywhere. Out enjoying the view. Is this a meth pipe on the Joshua tree? What are the odds of that? Fucking tweakers, bro. They're everywhere.
They're hiding among us.
Yeah, they're gonna pop out of the bushes and ask you for money. You got $5?
Yeah. You spare some change?
They're out here collecting brass or something.
Dude, I go to the gas station on the way to work like once a week. Every fucking time I go out there. Excuse me, sir, do you have any change? I'm like, no, I don't. You just asked me. I don't fucking have it. Dude, they roll up on scooters. Hey, sir, you got any change? No, I ain't got fucking change, bro.
I don't ever give anybody money.
They all fucking start coming out around 3:30, 4:30. They all start coming out.
Oh, it's funny. What's up, gang? We're out here in the garage again. Sunday afternoon. We'll do the final weekend update. I didn't buy anything new this weekend, but we got rid of some stuff. I'm really trying to sell some stuff. I don't have any room. I could use some more money to buy some other stuff. It's just been hot, and I've been buying stuff and fixing it and haven't really posted anything. So the last couple of days I started posting all this stuff again. And today's Sunday. Yesterday afternoon I sold the TE250. So now all I have is the TTR 110 left. And then I went to take this out last night. Just everything's been sitting, so I've been going through everything and draining carburetors and charging batteries, making sure everything's good. The new battery on this thing was dead already, and it won't take a charge, which is baloney. But yeah, so we sold the TTR 50. I finally got rid of something. I sold that, and I sold the extra header I had for the KX100. Is that it? Yeah, and then the guy that came to look at this YZF, you know, the guy that his riding experience is an electric bicycle. That ain't gonna cut it. Yeah, we took this out. We went for an early morning ride. Was out there at 6:30. This Husqvarna is bad to the bone. I love this bike. And then when I got home for lunch, since this thing was finally off the trailer now and I can get it out, we took the 701 for a ride to get all the blood flowing in this thing again. But yeah, I'm really trying to sell some of this stuff. I need to get rid of some stuff. If anybody's in the Las Vegas area and they're looking to buy anything, you know, anything you see on this YouTube channel is for sale, even this car. 383 stroker, converted to 6-speed, Podgy rear, stringed axles, still has AC, nice interior, nice exterior. This car is really in good shape. Runs and drives, registered and insured. What else do we got going on? Oh, I saw something really funny in the desert. I'll put that up there too. And I'll put up a picture of the TTR50 for anyone that doesn't remember. But yeah, I've been cleaning up in here, getting some stuff done. I'm trying to sell that 2008 R1 that I got, where I got the motor to start and it shot oil everywhere. I'm trying to just get a couple $100 on that. Get rid of that. I don't know. I was just bored when I got that thing. I just got too much stuff. But my truck's been giving me problems, and I want to sell all these bikes and start looking for a 68 to 72 C10. All these new trucks I've been looking at, they're so expensive and they're all crap. They all keep getting recalls. I think I'm gonna find me a resto mod. I think it'll be a good investment. What do you guys think? I think it's a no-brainer. But yeah, the only other thing I'm gonna mess with this weekend on the bikes is I got that Suzuki RMZ 250 out back. I'm gonna change the oil on that. The oil, the filter, and then tomorrow the new clutch cable shows up, and then we'll take that for a test ride. But I think that's it for the weekend update. I think that's all we got. Brap, brap, brap. Have a good weekend.